Chris on point here with another video. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please push that notification button so you know when I'm dropping my videos. You saw the title of the video. The title of the video is how to get multiple baddies on your line.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money, she don't need no.
I know you just saw that clip right there. Those two baddies, man. You saw how they were walking, you saw how they were looking. They wanted a guy to approach them, bro. And I'm telling you, bro, that guy has to be you, man. It has to be you, man. You know why? Because you're not no average dude out here, man. You know who you are? You're an alpha, man. You've been putting in the work. You've been going to the gym. You've been stacking your bread. You've been working on yourself, man. So you know what you need to start doing? You need to know your worth, man, and know your value. And you need to start cold approaching these chicks out here, man. For real, man. These chicks, they know there's a lot of baddies out there, man. They know. Most of them know they're baddies themselves. And they're looking for that high value guy, man. And these females know that there are not really that many high value men out there. So when you come along with your high value self, you've been doing all the things that you needed to do, you have to start approaching these chicks out here, bro. Because it hits different when you go to the party or you go to the club, and when the second you walk in there, you know you're the best guy in there, man. You know you make the most bread. You know you have the nicest car. You know you have the best crib up in that club or party that you just walked into. You know all these things. So because you have the bare minimum, most of these chicks are gonna just mess with you just because of that. Because most guys, they don't even have the bare minimum. They don't even have their own car. They don't even make sure they have their own crib. They don't even keep up their physical hygienes. So the chicks don't pick those type of guys, man. But look at you, bro. When you have all your things and you're organized and you have your life in order, females are gonna want that and gonna want you. For real, they're gonna want you, man. Once they start choosing you, don't let it go over your head, man. Because I know you're gonna let it go over your head, man. Because you're gonna be like, damn, I'm getting so many baddies all of a sudden, man. I don't know how to feel. You're gonna be feeling yourself, man. But I'm not telling you to be cocky and let that shit go over your head, bro. You have to stay humble, man. The same energy that you took to get to the top is the same energy that you need to have at the top, bro. Because now that you're pulling so many chicks, man, you have to be careful, bro. Because you're a high value guy now, and because you're picking up all these chicks now, they're gonna want your energy, man. Once you start taking them back to your crib, and once you start going out with them, they're gonna start realizing like, oh wow, he's living actually pretty nice. He's actually living pretty good. So you know what they're gonna try to do? They're gonna try to take your energy, bro. They're gonna try to cuff you. Just cause you have all these things, man. But I'm telling you, man, if you're not trying to be in a relationship, or you're just trying to mess around with females, you're gonna have to learn to keep your distance, bro. Because you're pulling all these girls now, man, and you're a high value guy at that too. So you're gonna have to learn to keep these girls at a distance, and still work on yourself at the same time, man. Yeah, man, these chicks are crazy, man, because when they see a high value man, they throw themselves at you, man. They throw themselves at you, bro. And it's so funny because you could have so many problems. You could be a toxic guy. You can have so many red flags. But just because you're organized, and just because you're financially stable, they're gonna ignore all those red flags, man, and still go after you, man. For real, for real. You can't even have a kid, man, but if you're a high value man, they're gonna be like, forget the kid, I'll take on the kid and you. Just because you're a high value man. So I'm telling you guys, man, that's why you have to work on yourself, man. If you haven't really worked on yourself, you're not gonna get these chicks, man. No chick wants a bum. No chick wants a guy with a beer belly. Every female wants a top-notch dude. And you're that top-notch dude, bro. And once you start coming around them, and once you start putting yourself out there, you're gonna realize how many chicks are gonna throw themselves at you just because you have what you need to have, man. Because not every guy has what you have, man. Not every guy has the same mentality as you, man. But you have all those characteristics that she has, man. So she's gonna try to keep you around for the longest, man. Yeah, man, she's gonna start chasing you. She's gonna start chasing you, bro. And that's what these chicks do, man. They're gonna start chasing you, man. But you have to get to the level for them to do that, man. And you have to keep up your frame. Because females only do this type of stuff when you have masculine energy, when you got your shit on point, man. Girls don't like chasing no regular dude, man. But they're gonna chase you, man. Just keep staying on point, keep hitting the gym, keep stacking your paper, stay organized, keep your life in order, man. And I'm telling you, man, you're gonna keep getting baddies, man. And you're gonna keep having them chase you, trying to get your attention, but you have to stay on point on here, bro. You gotta stay on point out here, bro. Oh, that's the only way. That's the only way you can get baddies out here, man. Because you think I'm able to get so many baddies by just bumming it? No, bro. I gotta stay fresh. I gotta keep up my maintenance. I gotta keep my house looking fresh. I gotta do all these things. I'm in the same boat as you, man. I gotta do all these things just to maintain. And I've been maintaining. And the results are good, man. I know you want the same results, man. So keep on your purpose. Keep doing what you need to do.